Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to my Outdoors channel. In this video I'm going to show some clips of some RC car racing at our Windber, Pennsylvania track that we've got. It's an outdoor track, one of 3 tracks that we have locally here now. This is kind of a new one that has come up, and you guys invested a lot to make it a good track. And I don't race, or haven't raced yet myself, because I'm still learning how to drive these things, although my experience with airplanes and so forth has helped me a lot with knowing my orientation anyway and trying to steer things coming at me. So, but I need to learn how to run the tracks and so forth before I get into doing any racing, because I'm sure I'll lose all the time. And what amazes me about some of these races is that they've got little transponders or emitters or something like that, or in the cars that each racetrack will give you, and you set it in your car. And every time you go by a sensor going around the track, it'll clock your time on that, and then your overall time, of course, will be the winner. So anyways, please give me a like if you like this. Please subscribe, and please give me your comments. Let me know what you want to see. So we'll get on to the races here. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you got some inspiration from it. Get out to the track and do some learning or do some racing, and sometimes people actually win money at these races. So good deal and a lot of fun. If you got something out of this, please give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe so you won't miss anything. Be sure to hit that bell icon so you won't miss anything as I come out with anything new that may be of interest to you. So be sure to hit that bell icon. Also, please give me your comments so I know what it is you would like to see, what you're interested in. So, thank you.